Alright, here we are. We're opening up the Godin xTSA koa wood guitar. This is going to be awesome. Been waiting for this for months. Ordered it in March, I think, and it finally got here, and it's September. Maybe it was April, but it was early in the pandemic. So it was nicely wrapped and packaged by Sweetwater, and pretty well packed. And of course they have their typical Sweetwater candy that they always put in, which is kind of nice. So anyway, let's see what this thing looks like. Okay, let's see what we got here. Alright, so the cake, it's in a case. A nice padded case, which is great. Again, well packed. Alright, let's see what we got here. Boy, I feel like I've been waiting forever. This is nice. It's very padded. It's really pretty thick and solid, which is good. Any sharp instruments. Let's see what we got here. Let's see here. Okay. Oh my God. Oh yes. Nice. This is passed Sweetwater's 55-point inspection, is ready to play. Thank you for your business, Danny C. Nice. That's cool. One thing about Sweetwater, they do a good job kind of shipping and checking everything. But boy, it sure has been a long time waiting for this thing. It is beautiful. Never thought I'd actually hold one of these. But here it is. This is got the 13 pin that'll go into my Roland GR55 guitar synth directly, so I won't have to have a divided pickup, which I have now, and we'll see how that works later on. And then we have an acoustic and an electric input, which is great. So, and the various knobs, I believe this switches the inputs and the pickups and all that good stuff. And these, I think, I'm not sure how these work, but I'll have to figure that out. That'll be next. Anyway, it's a beautiful instrument. This is the koa wood top. It feels nice. It's really feels really balanced. The neck is nice. It feels pretty, supposed to feel very playable. It looks like the action is going to be nice. So we'll see how it goes. Here this is interesting. You got the pins here. Never seen that before, but that's awesome. xTSA. Wow, what a nice guitar. This is the nicest guitar I think I know. This is the nicest guitar I ever bought. And so I'm looking forward to playing it. We'll see how that goes. And that'll be next.